Hey guys, aloha and welcome to Maui Napper. Hey, you know what's a wretched way to start your day? Something like this. Absolutely wretched. There are over 80 accessible beaches on Maui, and of those 80 beaches, I'd say that probably 1,000 of them are pretty spectacular. Never would have thought in a million years that I would live on Maui or anywhere in Hawaii, much less somewhere so close to the beach. And I just gotta say, I love it. I mean, you know, what's not to love? I'm going for a morning beach walk, and I'm taking you with me. So, the first thing you have to do, of course, put your phone away. Next thing you got to do is take those shoes off. So you ready? Let's go. Personally, I kind of like taking beach walks in the morning. It's cooler. I don't have to worry about sweating as much. I don't have to worry about getting all burnt from the sun, because it only takes, you know, 20 or 30 minutes once the sun is up. You can get a good sunburn at 8 o'clock in the morning. So another big plus is a lot of times in the mornings, beaches are fairly empty. I mean, take a look. I kind of like that. Unlikely to find me doing flips and cartwheels and handsprings and such. I do have a tendency to kind of splash in the water a little bit, so it'll probably happen. And if it does, it'll probably happen in slow motion, because who doesn't like slow motion? Of course, sometimes you got to put on your shoes. There's not a lot of beachcombing on the beaches in Maui, not a lot of seashells and such, but on occasion there are some. Usually they're fairly small, and a lot of times they're broken up, but you keep your eyes open. You can find some nice finds sometimes. And of course there's always the occasional bit of sea glass, which is always fun too. Another broken shell. Sometimes the shells are easier to find than others. There's a bit of a sea urchin. And another. So these are all quills from a pencil slate sea urchin. Really pretty, aren't they? You never really know what each wave is going to bring in or what each wave will take away. Sometimes you got to grab quick. Nice. Taking a beach walk can be full of its own distractions, of course, but it can also be very calming and meditative, where just everything else goes away and you just have you and your thoughts. I've seen plenty of people on their cell phones that never even notice stuff like this. You know, beach walking is such good exercise. A few years ago, I got into the habit, which I need to get back into, of walking on the beach like every morning, every evening. I cut off the fast foods, I quit drinking sodas. I lost like 50 pounds. And anyway, I've gained some back, and I need to do this regularly. Get rid of this extra chin I've got and the extra tummy I've got. Need to just do it. Don't intend to, right? Do it. Okay, fine, I'm gonna do it. You know, there's such a fine line between intending to do something and actually doing it. And it's just that one moment where you actually put yourself into action. You know, put your butt in gear instead of being stuck to the couch. So sometimes for me, I find it's like, okay, I'm gonna do this on the count of 3, you know, and give me a 3, 2, 1, and I lift off, right? It works though. Something about it just kind of breaks that suction of the couch, maybe. I don't know, something mental, of course, but try it. Might work for you. Taking a walk is almost always worth it, so take a walk. You'll probably be glad you did. Sometimes it's a matter of being creative, I guess, or thinking a little bit outside the box, but there's nice places to walk everywhere. I'm really blessed to have all these beaches here, and I love that. But I need to start taking advantage of that and doing something with it. Sometimes for exercise, yes, sometimes just for relaxation and for meditation or just serenity. Whatever it is, I need to do it. And if that's your situation too, go find a place, or, you know, come to Maui. Well, thanks for joining us this morning on the morning beach walk, and hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to join us regularly by subscribing, clicking that notification button so you know whenever a new video is uploaded, and like and comment. We'll see you next time. Aloha.